Shabbat Shalom. It's been another roller coaster week for us. COVID rates are up and new restrictions have been implemented. We mourn the loss of life and pray for those afflicted to recover. We all want to avoid another stay-at-home order. It's hope that's keeping us going. We're heading into a holiday season in which commerce is predicated on hope. The fluctuations in the stock market are all predicated on hope. Human survival on a personal level and a societal level require hope for the future. But sometimes we feel helpless in the darkness of despair. I read a great anonymous quote recently that said, "Man can live about 40 days without food, about 3 days without water, about 8 minutes without air, but only for 1 second without hope." Albert Einstein famously said, "Learn from yesterday, live for today, and hope for tomorrow." You know, when we light the Shabbat candles, we recite a blessing that reminds us that we are commanded to kindle the light of these candles. I like to see this commandment as a directive to bring light into the world. And in doing so, to see the hope, to see the potential of what can be. We all need hope. Wishing you a Shabbat of peace and hope. Shabbat Shalom.